Good morning, students and staff. This is Mrs. Guerra reporting to you live from the principal's office. I do have a few messages for you today. First and foremost, I want to welcome everyone back from the winter break. I want to wish you a very, very happy new year. I hope everyone had a restful break and is ready to come back and hit the ground running. Secondly, I do want to talk to you a little bit about our attendance. Students, as you know, our daily goal is 97%. This past semester, there was many days that we did not meet our goal, and we want to change that for the second semester. Bigger and brighter things for 2015, and one of them should be our attendance. We want to make sure that we're hitting the mark every day, and the only way to do that is for you to be here with us every day. So we encourage you to come in. Remember that one absence, one day lost, can be up to 7 lessons lost. I know that sometimes we come back from an absence and we're a little lost, we're behind. And we do not want that for you because, of course, it impacts your grades, and we don't want that for anyone. We want all of our students, all Fields Falcons, to be successful and to do well in your classes. Secondly, I want to talk to you a little bit about healthy habits and taking advantage of our breakfast and our lunches. We've also noticed that our meal counts are going down, which tells me that there's a lot of students out there that are not taking advantage of the breakfast, that are maybe on an empty stomach. And so we know that when you are in class and you're trying to concentrate and focus and participate, if you're on an empty stomach, that's going to be very difficult. So please take advantage of our breakfast items every single morning, as well as our lunch options. I know that there's a lot of trays that are being thrown away and the food has not been touched. Remember, healthy habits, start your healthy habits today. Breakfast and lunch at school every single day, boys and girls. And finally, our 6 weeks and our first semester is already coming to a close. How quickly the year is flying by. Report cards will be going out soon. Boys and girls, we want to make sure that you are aware of your report card, of your grades. You should be keeping up with your weekly tests in your Hero Binder. You should be tracking those grades, drawing those bar graphs, making sure that you know at this point where you stand. The report card should not be a surprise. Your grade should not be a surprise because you should be tracking your own progress. Again, if you haven't been doing so, it's 2015. Again, new habits, new year. We want to make sure that we're keeping up with those Hero Binders and we are tracking our progress. So again, everyone, I welcome you back. I wish you a happy new year, and I look forward to even better and more wonderful things in 2015. Thank you.
Por favor, estar de pie por la promesa de la Declaración de Empoderamiento del mes y nuestro momento de silencio.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
The mission of Victor Fields is to develop caring lifelong learners who will become productive citizens in a global society through inquiry-based, rigorous instruction. La misión de la primaria Victor Fields es desarrollar el potencial del estudiante, que a través de la vida se hagan ciudadanos productivos en una sociedad global por medio del razonamiento basado en la enseñanza que provee retos.
It's time for the empowering statement of the month. Each day we recited to remind ourselves what attributes we need to be internationally minded and happy in life. Please recite the empowering statement for the month with me.
I soar into the future as a Falcon scholar when I am a communicator, balanced, reflective, open-minded, and a risk-taker.
Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. And now it's time for this week's announcements.
Attention all 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students. The field trip to the Valley Symphony Orchestra concert will be Friday, January 16th at 9 a.m. Make sure to wear your formal clothing, and turn in your permission slip signed with $1 to your teacher. The school-wide spelling bees are happening on January 21st. 4th grade students invited to participate in the 20th Annual Choral Festival this year will begin rehearsals Tuesday, January 13th. Rehearsals are after school every Monday and Tuesday from 3:30 to 5 o'clock. After-school tutoring will begin in just a few more days. Please make sure to read the notes from your teachers. Tutoring will be every Monday and Tuesday.
You can check out all of our KVIC News reports on our YouTube channel. Search for us today at KVIC News Field Elementary, or you can tweet us your responses and comments at KVIC Student News. It's time to check out today's episode of CNN Student News.